Price is starting to pull back very nicely now. As you can see on the daily time frame, we are just, it's all bearish candles from Monday, and we're just trying to find a POI to get involved in. I did have, so yesterday I was looking at this one, I remember mentioning it. But the problem with this one, at the time I did say if price doesn't push down from this low before it mitigates it, which it didn't, so it become valid. But what made it invalid is this. It pushed up and it swept the top of the POI. So for my rules, if it sweeps it, it now becomes invalid. But it did hold and it did continue down. So this was just literally a market open sweep and then it pushed down. But from my experience on my backtesting, if it sweeps it, I'm not taking it. So that was that. So we are starting to get that big push down now. And we've now got this POI here, which looks good. So this would be the next POI I'll be looking to trade from. There is quite a few. Price is just on the 30-minute is quite aggressive on, so it's leaving loads of POIs, but the further it goes down, I'm more likely to take lower ones. If we actually just put this on here just to see what POIs are in the 50%. That isn't in the 50%, but I'm happy to still take that. Like I said, when it comes to the pullbacks, it can be quite aggressive, so they're going to pull into nearest POIs and push back. So I'm happy to take sells at this one. There's no news today either, so there's nothing going to be interfering with it. And that's pretty much it. So what we're looking for with targets is, I should leave this on, but it's just annoying. That's the low, that's the high. Our target is going to be the first POI on the 30-minute, and which is also in the daily demand. So that's where my first target is on a trade if it pulls into one of these POIs. Because what can happen is price can come up here, and for some reason the trade might become invalid. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for trades to become invalid, but then price continues up to a different one, and then we get an entry. But you need to be willing to take losses when there's multiple POIs. Sometimes there's one POI, so it's easier to for your mind. It's easier to get on board with, like, okay, I got one POI, I don't need to worry about any other ones. But here we can have multiple losses, but the reward is worth it. Like if we go down to this example here, we had 3 POIs. I took a loss here, and then this one was a 1 to 10. So that's the price you got to pay for getting those good trades. So yeah, those are all the POIs that I'm looking to trade from, and yeah, that is it for Germany 40.